Joed's time! Ito na ang result ng highlights! Dan 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 dan. Ayan. Ang ganda naman eh, oh. Wow. Something new lang. Something different for summer. Ikaw, patingin naman ang hair mo. Pareho pa nga kaming kulay. Diyos ko, day. Ano ba yan? You like mo ba yan? Okay, that's good. So, yung base ng hair ko, meron na rin yan pagka maaga. Stop that! You're shaking my bilbil. Stop that. May base na to, pagka maaga, medyo maganda na rin yung kulay niya. Then, don't ever highlight your hair with your black base hair color. Kailangan medyo pakulayin nyo muna ng mga medyo copper. Then, bago nyo pa highlights. Okay? We love our hair! Bye-bye!